For most animals, finding food and avoiding danger is a full-time job. A few of them survive by being bigger, stronger than other creatures, but many animals use tricks to catch their prey or outsmart a predator. In this video, we are going to take a look at those top 10 animals who have come up with some surprising ways of staying alive. Let's take a look. The alligator snapping turtle has an unusual way of catching fish. It rests on the bottom of a stream or pond. When it opens its mouth and wiggles part of its tongue, this long tongue looks like a worm. When a curious fish comes near it, the turtle grabs it. Next one we have ready, aim and fire, the archer fish. Archer fish squirts a jet of water from its mouth to knock down insects. It can shoot down a moth or fly that is several feet away. It gulps down its prey the moment the insect hits the water. Wow, look at this! It looks like a delicate flower, but don't be fooled, it's a mantis. This is actually an orchid mantis, and it is a very fierce predator. It sits on a flower and waits quietly. When a flying insect gets close enough, the mantis grabs it with its spiky arms. The honeybee is one of the most common victims of an orchid mantis ambush. From the orchid mantis to the leafy lizard, let's look at this. The satanic leaf-tailed gecko makes its home in trees of the rainforest. To hide itself, it grips a branch and sways gently in the breeze. Its tail even has holes and ragged edges that make it look like an old leaf, which helps it to camouflage easily in its background. This gecko can also scare off a predator by opening its bright red mouth. Okay, now time is to click and glow. We are talking about the fire beetle. Fire beetle is a kind of click beetles. These beetles make a click sound when they pop themselves into the air. Click beetles roll onto their back and flip into the air to escape danger. The fire beetle is also bioluminescent. It means it can produce its own light. It has two glowing spots on its back and one on its belly. This beetle's glowing spot are probably used to communicate with other fire beetles. When animals feel danger, they can make a dark cloud. Yes, we are talking about the giant Pacific octopus, which can eject a cloud of black ink. Predators are confused and can't see the octopus, and it can make its getaway. Octopus can change their color and texture to match their surroundings also. Let's take a look at the animal who is a very good actor. The western hognose snake has several ways of defending itself. If it is frightened, it makes a loud hissing noise. Next, it flattens its body, opens its mouth and raises its head from the ground. This makes it look larger and more dangerous. But its best trick is playing dead. Playing dead is a good defense because many predators prefer to eat prey when they have killed themselves. The hognose snake plays dead by rolling onto its back and laying motionless. It also sticks out its tongue and let a little blood run from its mouth. When it plays dead, this snake releases a stinky liquid that smells like a dead animal. Quite tricky, huh? Now we have a marine animal who loves to blow bubbles. Humpback whale catch fish with a bubble net. They find a school of fish and swim in circle below it. As they swim, the whales blow out a constant streams of bubbles. The bubbles herd the fish into a tight ball. When the whales take turns swimming straight through the ball of fish with their mouth wide open, they gulp down thousands of fish at a time. A humpback whale can eat as much as 3,000 pounds of food a day. When a humpback whale smacks the water with its tail, fish are frightened and cluster together. Now we have an amazing bird who eats its prey by casting its shadow. The reddish egret wades through shallow water, spearing fish and frogs with its long beak. One of its tricks is to cast a shadow on the water by standing still and spreading its wing. Fish often seek shelter in shady places. When they gather in shade of the egret's wing, the bird grabs them. Another wonderful example of disguise is the green vine snake. who looks like a tangled vine as it glides through the trees of the rainforest. With this disguise, it can creep up on birds and other small animals. When the snake gets close enough, it strikes. It gives its victim a venomous bite and then swallows it whole. The green vine snake's bite won't kill a human, but it is very painful. So far, we learned about all the trickiest animals in our earth. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.